when you finally understand what site reliability engineering is. In most organizations that have not yet embraced DevSecOps, you're going to find a massive wall between development teams, cyber teams, and operation teams. Developers are focused on delivering more features and shipping code. Cyber teams are focused on cybersecurity and compliance. And of course, operation teams are concerned about reliability and stability. This creates tremendous tensions between the teams, to the point that many organizations fail at moving at the pace of relevance, and possibly even go bankrupt because of their inability to properly align behind a common goal. So how do you end up finding the balance between velocity, cybersecurity, and stability? That's where DevSecOps comes in, and we aim at breaking down those barriers. You'll focus instead on 5 pillars: breaking silos, embracing the principle of fail fast, learn fast, but don't fail twice for the same reason, embrace incremental delivery of capability multiple times a day so that you mitigate the chance of breaking things, leveraging ruthless automation through your continuous integration, continuous delivery pipeline, and GitOps, of course. And finally, measure the right metrics to ensure you're pushing the right behavior. Check out our video on SLI, SLO, and SLA as well. And don't forget also to check out the DORA metrics video too. Google, that created the concept of site reliability engineers, often say that site reliability engineering is a specific implementation of DevSecOps. So when you take a look at the 5 DevSecOps pillars, SRE implements the following principles to realign the entire organization to common principles and goals. So effectively, a good SRE team thrives on automation, and they want to automate their recurring tasks. Effectively, automate yourself out of a job. SRE are part of the operation teams with various responsibilities, such as breaking silos and sharing ownership between development teams, cyber teams, and operation teams. Define service level objectives and error budget and blameless postmortems. And we have dedicated segment videos on each of those to do a deep dive to explain to you how to get this done. Incremental and continuous delivery in production using canary release, A/B testing, blueprint deployment, and of course, leveraging observability with tracing and telemetry to know exactly what's going on and either proactively or reactively implement fixes and mitigate issues. Through ruthless automation, the idea is to eliminate the manual work and track your toil and automate it away. We have a whole dedicated video on toil as well. And of course, you want to measure the right metrics using the DORA metrics principle and measuring your toil and your SLOs, making sure that you can effectively prioritize what to automate first based on the return on investment of doing so. So let's take a look at a deep dive of the SRE responsibility. First, they need to take care of availability, performance. Of course, they need to monitor the 4 golden signals: latency, traffic, saturation, and errors. They need to do proper emergency response and recovery. They need to measure your toil and eliminate your toil as much as possible. There you have it. Site reliability engineers are your operation team's version 2.0. They will enable your organization to make DevSecOps really by breaking silos, enabling the right kind of failures, incrementally delivering value to your end users multiple times a day, automate your deployments, and measure the right metrics, which will in turn enable your team to learn, grow, and optimize. SRE will actively seek to automate everything thanks to the principle of ruthless automation and continuously increasing your ability to deliver better, faster, and more secure software to your end user. They will also seek to fix problems before they happen and tackle tactical problems. So let's make sure your toil gets reduced. And if you want to get started, check out our next video on SLIs, SLOs, and SLAs.